That is the sun over the Los Angeles area, September 12th, 2020, during the fires. I know people out there who don't live here have been seeing all these orange videos and dramatic pictures, and I just wanted to give an actual look at what it actually looks like. This is looking from El Segundo towards downtown LA. So the buildings, like the big buildings of downtown LA, would be right about there. Hollywood sign over here. So it's a haze, and you can definitely smell the smoke. And then when you look up at the normally bright sun, still hurts your eyeballs, and it's kind of orange looking. So it's just this weird haze that's settled over the city. And then LA airport, LAX is down there, so normally this would be a great place to sit and watch the planes come in. So there you go, that's a piece of history. This is the smoke from all the combined fires, probably out in Riverside and thereabouts, that gender reveal party. Now, my one complaint about the journalism on that gender reveal party that started the big fire was nobody told us if it was a boy or a girl or a non-binary. Like, at least if you're gonna burn down the city and cause massive air pollution, at least tell us what it was. So that's all I got today. I just wanted to give you a straight shot, no editing, no colorization, no making it look pretty. Like, here's a pretty picture I took yesterday where I pumped up the volume to make it look really dramatic. People have been doing that and doing that and doing that, but this is what it actually looks like if you just get out your phone and point it at the city. And that is the sun.